Hi, this is Jens of Unwind and Replay. Usually I do more gaming related things, but today I want to show you how to convert markers from DaVinci Resolve directly into YouTube chapters. Quick and easy. Now let's say this is our YouTube video and we want to have the chapter markers down here. Fire up DaVinci Resolve and load up your video recording, which I already prepared. I also already prepared a couple chapter markers that I later want to show. How you do that? Quite simple. Wherever the red timeline marker is, you hit the blue marker button, double click the newly appeared marker, and you can type in whatever text you later want to appear. This, by the way, 000 is a very important timestamp for YouTube. If you do not have that one, YouTube will pretty much ignore all the other markers afterwards, and you're not going to have the little chapters being shown. Here you can look at the markers you created. This will probably not usually show up. How you do that? You hit Edit Index and then the three little dots and Show Markers. Either all or, in my case, blue will do. How do we get those to YouTube? Simple. Right-click the timelines, export timeline markers to EDL. We're going to save that right there. Go back to our browser and go to EDL to YouTube. Now, this site is very cool. Basically, the whole site is hosted on GitHub. It is completely open source in the background, so there is no funny business going on. And also, in case you haven't actually inserted a 00 timestamp, it will do that for you if you check that. I'm not gonna need that because we just created one, so we're good to go. Choose the file. And there we go. Now we have all our YouTube chapters. Quite important. Currently the site does not allow for square brackets or pipes. And also, in case you have a video that is longer than 1 hour, basically it will start back at 0 down here. So you're gonna have to take care of that yourself. This is not being parsed correctly, but I think that might be changed in the future. Put in your video details and there we go. And there we have our YouTube video chapters. Nice and easy. Now, as I already said earlier, usually I do more gaming related things. So if you feel like, just drop by. Please do leave some feedback in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye bye.